Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the indicator stalk on Peugeot 107. This is exactly the same model as Citroen C1 and the Toyota Aygo. First of all, disconnect the battery lead because we're going to remove the airbag wiring looms connections. After disconnecting the battery, we need to disconnect the steering wheel and the airbag which is in the steering wheel. Remove all these screws underneath the airbag. Disconnect the airbag. This connection, just gently pull up this yellow lock for the connection and remove the wire. Remove this earth wire as well. Undo this main bolt for the steering wheel.
Thank you.
Before removing the steering wheel, we normally mark up the alignment. Then after refitting, you don't need to do the tracking or alignment after that. This will be handy. After removing the steering wheel, to remove the cooling cover. Both cover top and bottom. After removing all the screws, gently remove this airbag ring, connection ring. Don't spin too much, otherwise it will lose the alignment. Put in a safe place. Okay, pull those clips to undo this indicator stroke. Indicator and the wiper stroke comes together, but we're changing indicator stroke today. But the same thing, same way to replace the wiper arm, wiper stroke as well on the right hand side. Be gentle with these clips because it's the plastic one. Detach both arms. Make sure it's identical, the new one when you're changing. attach both back on. Make sure it sits properly. There's plastic clips which hold it with the column. Put all the wiring clips back. Column cover. Top column cover with the dash. And now after that you need to fit back the steering wheel on it and make sure you line up with your mark. We normally always mark, and that's it, good to go. If you like the video, please give it a thumb and subscribe to the channel.